It's very difficult to talk about knowledge gaps in the Arctic. There's some that we can clearly see, and there are those that are counterintuitive, that just, you wouldn't think of them offhand until you actually see them happening. I'll give you a recent example. We were leaving with our research icebreaker, which is called the Amundsen, this spring. We were leaving Quebec City on our way up to Hudson Bay, which is in the interior of North America. And we only made it to the eastern seaboard of Canada, and we ran into very large, very thick concentrations of multi-year sea ice, which was off the east coast of Canada at a latitude much further south than it should be. And the Amundsen was tasked to do search and rescue activities in that location because fishing vessels were getting stuck in it. There was ferries were transporting people between Newfoundland and Quebec, and they were getting stuck in the ice. There was tankers that couldn't get fuel into communities. So the Amundsen, as a very capable icebreaker, was required to assist with these activities to such a point where we had to cancel our field project to Hudson Bay and reschedule for this coming year. So that's a counterintuitive effect. You wouldn't think that climate change would be increasing the amount of sea ice you get off the east coast of Newfoundland, but it is. And it's being caused by climate change. So when people look at that on first blush, they think, well, the sea ice is recovering and there's lots more of it and these scientists don't know what they're talking about. It's just the opposite. We do know what we're talking about, and it's because the ice is more mobile in the high Arctic and it's being exported much more efficiently than it used to. This, of course, creates all kinds of problems with marine navigation off the east coast of North America, where ships are not designed to operate in multi-year sea ice are now being stuck in it. So it created quite a complex problem for mariners this past spring off the east coast of Canada.